For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of mediocre sound quality while watching movies or playing games on your computer? Do you struggle to find a speaker that perfectly balances bass and treble? Look no further, because today I'm going to review the Edifier QR65 Bluetooth speaker, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. But here's what surprised me: despite its compact size, this thing packs some serious punch, /N. The Edifier QR65 is a small, sleek speaker designed specifically for desk or home use. It's not too big, not too small, just right, like Goldilocks. Weighing in at just over 5 pounds and measuring about 8 inches tall and wide, it won't take up too much space on your desk or nightstand, /N. But I was surprised by its sound quality. For a speaker of this size, the QR65 packs some serious power. 24W RMS. RMS stands for root mean square, but let's be real, who needs to know that? Is nothing to sneeze at, and it gets loud. Very loud, /N. But what really sets this thing apart from other speakers in its class is the way it handles bass. Many small speakers struggle with deep bass notes, but the QR65 does an admirable job of replicating low-end frequencies without getting muddy or overpowering, /N. So why should you care about any of this? Well, let me ask you, have you ever found yourself wanting to watch a movie or play some music on your computer, only to be disappointed by the sound quality coming out of your speakers? Or maybe you've got friends over and you need something that can handle a little more volume. If so, then keep watching, because I'm about to show you why the Edifier QR65 is worth considering, /N. Now let's take a closer look at some of its features. The QR65 has Bluetooth connectivity, which makes it easy to stream music from your phone or computer. It also has a built-in subwoofer that helps to amplify low-end frequencies and gives the speaker an even bigger sound. And if you're feeling nostalgic for old-school audio, don't worry. The QR65 also comes with an aux input for connecting your favorite vinyl records or CDs, /N. But I was particularly impressed by its connectivity options. The QR65 has both Bluetooth 5.0 and NFC near-field communication capabilities, which allow it to pair easily with most devices. And if you've got multiple devices connected at the same time, don't worry, it's still easy to switch between them, /N. Now I know what you're thinking: is all this worth the money? Well, let me tell you, after using the QR65 for a few weeks now, I can confidently say that yes, it is. The sound quality is top-notch and the design is sleek and compact. Plus, it's just plain fun to use, /N. But don't just take my word for it. In this review, we'll dive deeper into some of its key features, talk about its performance, and explore any potential drawbacks, /N. Let's start with sound quality. As I mentioned earlier, the QR65 has a surprising amount of power for a speaker of its size. But what really sets it apart is its ability to handle bass notes without getting muddy or overpowering. Whether you're watching a movie or playing music, this thing can get loud and clear, /N. But how does it compare to other speakers in its class? Well, let me put it this way: if you've got money to burn on some high-end sound system, then maybe the QR65 isn't for you. But if you're looking for something that can handle a little more volume without breaking the bank, then this is definitely worth considering, /N. One thing I was initially concerned about was the build quality. With so many cheap speakers out there, it's easy to get worried about durability and construction. But after using the QR65 for a few weeks now, I'm happy to report that it feels solidly built and should withstand normal use without any issues, /N. Now let's talk about connectivity options. As I mentioned earlier, the QR65 has both Bluetooth 5.0 and NFC capabilities, which make pairing easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if you've got multiple devices connected at the same time, it's still a breeze to switch between them, /N. But what really impressed me was its ability to connect with my computer via USB. Yes, you read that right. This thing can hook up directly to your computer and stream music without needing Bluetooth or any other fancy technology, /N. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, wait a minute, isn't this just another Bluetooth speaker? Well, not quite. While it's true that the QR65 has Bluetooth connectivity, what sets it apart is its ability to handle multiple devices at once and its impressive sound quality, /N. So if you're in the market for a new speaker and want something that can handle a little more volume without breaking the bank, then I'd highly recommend checking out the Edifier QR65. For the best price, click the link in the description /n.